Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube like dislike all the buttons not showing. So first of all, you're going to have to check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Once you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, head over to your YouTube application, tap onto your profile, and simply switch your account. If you tap on accounts on your top left hand side, it will show you various other Google accounts. Simply select a different one and see if the likes are showing there. If the likes are showing there and if it's not showing in this account, you're going to have to tap on the settings button, tap on general, and make sure restricted mode is turned off for that account. And if the likes are still not showing no matter what account you choose, you're going to have to long tap onto YouTube, tap on the I button, scroll below, tap on storage. Clear the cache, and if you remember your Google credentials for YouTube, I highly recommend you to clear the data. Tap delete. Now lastly, restart your device, launch YouTube, and it will definitely fix your buttons not showing problem. Thank you for watching.